Today, I'm going to show you how to easily create a fall bridal shower invitation using one of Templett's pre-made designs. The best part? You don't need to start from scratch. These designs are already so beautiful that just a few simple edits will make them totally yours. All right, let's hop right in. First, I'm going to pick a pre-made design from the stock templates. Let's scroll through a few options. This one looks perfect, elegant, clean, and easy to customize. That's one of my favorite things about Templett. You can find something that fits your idea and then add your own personal touch in just minutes. Since we're going for fall vibes, I'm going to remove this current illustration. Now I'll go to Elements, Shapes, and pick a simple one. Let's resize it and adjust it a bit so it looks balanced. Once it's in place, right-click on the shape and click Create Clipping Mask. This will change the look instantly. Next, I'm going back to Elements and clicking on Photos. I'll type in Bride Fall because adding something seasonal and emotional really helps your design feel personal to brides. This one looks perfect. Warm tones, soft light, totally fits the fall aesthetic. Let's drag it in, adjust the size, and make sure it's framed nicely. Always think about how your customer will feel when they see your design. That emotional connection matters. Now I'm going to tweak our text just a little bit. I'll make it slightly smaller and move it up so everything feels balanced with the new photo. You can also adjust the line spacing if needed to make it cleaner. Next, let's go back to Elements and click on Illustrations. I'm typing Fall. I'm looking for something subtle, maybe some cute leaves or fall florals to frame the text. This one looks great. Let's add it in and adjust the placement. You don't have to overdo it. A little goes a long way. Now let's make everything cohesive by matching our illustration colors to the rest of the design. Use the eyedropper tool and pick color tones from the photo or text. That instantly ties everything together, and honestly, it already looks adorable. As a final touch, let's change the background color. Right-click anywhere on the background and click Add Background Color. I'm picking a soft cream tone. It gives that warm fall look without overpowering the design. And just like that, we've created a completely new invitation without starting from scratch. And there you have it, a cozy, elegant fall bridal shower invitation made in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. I love seeing your designs and reading your feedback. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting this creative community. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy designing with Templett!